Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find friends on the Uno application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a few minutes when the application is uploading. And new, click to the friends button as the tutorial option at the bottom of the page, and in the friends section you can search friends, and if you want to add friends, just click to the plus icon, and here you can invite friends and on. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.